Hello everyone, this is Larry Jameson. I'm in the final stages of my favorite recipe, my favorite meal of all time. This is Brussels sprouts and onions and cashews. And right now I'm going to put in the last thing, some 6 slices of bacon that were already cooked to give the grease to cook this recipe in. I got this recipe from Pluto's restaurant, which is now closed in St. Louis Obispo. But I got a cook to write this recipe down on a register tape. So now, doing this in real time, I'm going to pick up this camera and show you what has been created. We have Brussels sprouts, bacon, that's 6 slices of bacon. You can see the size of this pan, it's big enough to cover the burner, and 1 onion. Now you stir it up and the recipe is done. In 1 minute and 32 seconds, you have seen the final stages of Brussels sprouts and onions, and there's even cashews in there. Nuts are important to our diet. They provide fiber and vitamins and minerals. So now, let's eat. Thank you for listening. This is Larry Jameson saying goodbye for now.